Come with us as we walk around the port of Costa Maya, Mexico.
It is a beautiful morning today. Feels great. Temperature in the 80s. Look at that view. I think the ship is turning around. That is beautiful. Not sure what kind of ship that is. I think that's the icon of the seas. Okay, we are now on Tuesday morning in Costa Maya. Gonna get some breakfast. Hi, I'll do a cheese omelet. All cheeses, yeah. Yep. I saw you on the Mardi Gras. Yes, yeah, in May. Yeah, you were the best one, so I had to come see you again. That's great. Good. We made it. It's gonna be a busy day. Who's next to us? Icon of the seas. It is going to be a hot day today. I might try that tomorrow or on a sea day. Breakfast, a big chicken. Boy, it's gonna be a busy day. There's 2 more ships coming in. Will they pack these ships in? Or put the Virgin Scarlet Lady right next to the icon. Wow. We are packed in here and there's 1 more ship to come. It's the MSC. Looks like it's seaside. Oh, is it raining? Is it raining? Wow, look how. Wow, look. This is cool. I thought it was raining. I was like, it's dark out here.
Oh.
Yeah, it's just so dark.
She needed her photo ID.
Oh, she didn't have it?
No, so she has to go.
Okay.
I had my ID the whole time. Oh,
Are you serious? Oh. Yeah.
You guys got me off my game.
Shebang got her.
Shebang got me.
This is one of my favorite parts of a cruise, walking through these ships like this.
Really?
I like seeing the different ships.
Yeah.
I enjoy that part. Icon of the seas. Wow, look at all these boats.
Okay, look, that whole footprint on it holds 450 feet.
Yep, it sure does. That's the biggest ship. Currently the biggest ship in the world, right here. Look at that one there.
That one looks pretty big.
Yeah. That's one they said never works. That's pretty.
Wow, look how clear this water is.
You're not supposed to be on the other side of that line.
Oh, sorry. Well, I felt it like zapped me.
Yeah.
How's it soft that up?
Right.
My father-in-law, who is currently battling cancer, always passes out gospel tracts everywhere he goes. And on this trip, he purchased special Spanish tracts for us to pass out.
Guess they take turns.
So any donation will be well received and appreciated.
There they go.
Flowers as a tangible cultural heritage of humanity. I would like to
Good job, friend.
This port is packed. Look at all these people. I found my wife.
That's perfect.
That is perfect. That is great.
We're wearing those.
Yeah. Too bad it's not a US plug.
Oh, it's not?
No.
You're kidding. It's not?
It is. It is.
I'd be like, oh man. Where's that track? Where's that track? They're waving us in. They want. I think
They
we
must
should.
want me.
They want us to come in.
Okay. They're welcome into their home. There's that colorful stuff.
I know, I love all of that.
I do.
Where's
I know.
Joseph?
I know. America.
Yeah. Captain America?
Look at the Hulk. The Hulk.
Oh, that's
He's
me.
mad looking.
Yeah.
That's cute stuff.
Remember that?
These are neat, Heather.
Nice. Look over there.
Uh-huh. The dolphins are gonna be over that way, where you see the dolphins. This place is packed. There's a sea of people coming. You know, like
Yeah.
started raining on us. Everybody's heading underneath.
They do. Look how cute it is. If I was gonna open my own salon, it would have that book. Hello. Oh, Christmas ornament.
When shopping in Costa Maya, always remember that the price you see can always be negotiated. Never accept the price on the tag.
Let's cut through.
They get all that track.
We are going to cut through.
Sorry.
The first place 165.
Really?
Or I had that Liam would have loved, you know?
Uh-huh. I bet you can get it for $30. This is a very busy port.
There's one right there.
Yep. Do your motion. Oh, we're not. Yeah. Yeah, do it. Yeah, do it again. Those aren't trained. There they are.
She's kind of mean, don't she?
She does. Yeah, she don't have a smile.
Okay.
Bought our salt and pepper shakers. That's pretty.
Yeah, you can see how.
Look how wide that ship is, that icon.
Oh my God! Look at the top of that
Yeah.
thing.
That's a
Build a thing like that.
that's an indoor show. They have like an aqua show in there.
Oh wow! Look, they're spraying it off up there.
Oh, they are, yeah. Wow. Wow.
And hang out on the front.
No, I think they go
All the way in.
all the way in, yeah. Wow.
I love to take photos of ships and use them as screensavers for my phone.
Yeah. Yeah, today was fun.
Like I want to get out, but then once you get out, you're like, okay, maybe not.
Right.
Okay, looks like we have a couple of minutes while Riley takes a break. She's nice to stray cats. I mean, come on. Oh, and she's officially a teenager now. She got very tall, very fast. Always hope they do it.
Hey! Come on, go for a double, bub.
Single?
He's a lightweight. Finally found it.
We'll get in.
Yeah.
Ooh, feels good in here.
Let's hang out here.
Oh, they would. This is the kids' casino.
Yeah, really.
Yeah.
What is that?
It's like a virtual reality.
What's that Nintendo guy?
Look at that big old Mario. That big old Mario.
Look how you roll dice.
Oh boy. That's great.
Thank you, Carnival. This did not cost us anything.
Yeah.
Ooh, there you go. That's a good one too.
Got it, yeah. All right.
Oh,
Ooh.
you got it.
You got it. Woohoo! You got it.
Heather, she's 2 for 3.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.